Hello everyone, today is going to be a different video here on our YouTube channel because we are going to cook! Yoo-hoo! I'm super excited to share with you a delicious and unique recipe that combines the best of Korean and Italian flavors. So for today's video, we're gonna make a kimchi pasta. I'm not really sure if you already heard or tried this recipe, but I can't wait to show you how easy and fun it is to make. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, or maybe who loves to experiment and explore the world of food like me, this recipe is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a flavorful and unique meal. So grab your apron and let's get started on making the kimchi pasta. Trust me, you're gonna love it. And to marinate your chicken for our dish today, first just cut the chicken breast into your preferred size, either a big size, small bite, or even a small size. It depends to you. And just make sure that your chicken are not still hot when you cut it. Otherwise, you're gonna burn your hand. And after that, put your chicken into a big bowl and season it with pepper, paprika, soy sauce, or mamacita soy sauce. And this is an optional, but you can add a rosemary flakes and a chili flakes as well. And after that, just put it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. And while waiting for our chicken marinated, let's cook our pasta. while waiting for your onion to become golden, don't forget to cut your kimchi into a small piece. Now once the onion is cooked, you can now add your chicken and keep it stirring. Once it's already cooked and mixed, you can now add your kimchi. And then while waiting, if you can still see like a big chunk of your kimchi, just cut it out. And now we can add our evaporated milk into the pan. This time I just add the half amount from the can, and then later we can add a little bit more because our goal for this sauce is to become more creamier and more cheesy. And then you can now add your pepper. And don't forget to add a little bit of salt to taste. And then once you're already satisfied with the taste of your sauce, you can now add your pasta and you can now start plating and share it to your loved ones or with your friends, or just enjoy it. Taste test. Come on, try it.
Oh,
Be honest, huh?
this one looks good. Is this for vlog?
No, for
First
my
go.
project. Also for the vlog as well. Yeah.
Looks nice. Is this tuna?
No, it's a chicken.
Ooh. So good.
Go back to sleep. And yeah, that's it guys, and I can now enjoy my kimchi pasta while watching a movie before I go to work. And I personally love to partner it with garlic bread or any refreshing juice. And thank you so much for joining me on this delicious culinary adventure, and I hope you enjoy learning how to make this unique and flavorful kimchi pasta. And if you give this recipe a try, I'd love to hear how it turns out, so don't forget to leave a comment below, or maybe tag me to your IG story, Facebook story, or any social platform. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more exciting recipe and food adventure maybe in the future. And hit the notification bell so you never miss out any update. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your meal. Bye!